Devarma. Silent khlai. Kumar Devarma.
Agency is completed, so we can get this signature and give you letter. However, we will felicitate you with the token of small khlai, mementos or souvenir. So with this, I must say that Tipra Media buskang lisalo tayo kotor ngai sara prithvi wo kaisa example ngai set khaitung. Let these indigenous activists or digital warriors be an example in the whole of the world where there are lot of indigenous communities not only in India but in all parts of the world, and we need to get connected, and we'll try to organize from this small event to a state level, from state level to a national level, and from national to till there is a way. जों job tor tongnai khoroksa khainai hinai जों bkhau nai khangkai. These things are possible, and I must thank the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, particularly the HOD in charge, who without any hesitancy have accepted, and the students have acted this, and the success is because of the students, and they become the best managers in the university, I think. Let's give them a big round of applause. And I guess a talk Nangkumani took place in just a notice of 2 days or 1 day we got. 1.5 day. And they made everything possible. Another round of applause. Another good news we heard today. Je chini o jaga o je chung khorchang mani bai ayang brok jeri mani tai wai ni suk chung khlai mana khwai si khlai lai finai. With this, I must wish you all the very best in life. God bless each and everyone, and we thank Tripura University Authority and TTAADC for collaborating and encouraging workshops to train the people in this era of network society. Thank you, one and all.